God.
Why?
Umakyat ka ulit. Kasi naka-timer ito ay.
Okay. Wait ho. Ready. Good morning. Hi guys.
Kamusta ka na, inay?
I'm very happy.
Why with the F?
What?
It should be happy, not happy.
Yes, I'm happy. I'm staying here for only 6 months. But now, I'm finished 3 months. So, I have 3 months. And then,
3
I'm
months
living
left.
here in New Zealand. And I miss this place. It's very silent. Me, I'm the one. Me, I'm the one too.
Ang ganda.
Very nice. I'm comfortable when I was there. When I was here. Sorry. Hi guys. Pauline. Send mo kina Kylie. And Tin.
You stay there.
Bukas birthday pala ni Bunso eh.
Ngalay ako.
Happy birthday, Bunso. Wala lang regalo. Hayaan mo pag nakaluwag-luwag.
Ang ganda. Parang pelikula
Alam
to.
naman. Ay, nako. I forget may niluluto. Yung niluluto ko, baka nasunog na.
Alay, kuhanin mo yun.
Alin?
Yung niluluto mo.
Aba, sabi ko sa iyo, wait lang.
Kaso nandun si kuya, kita ko.
Wait lang a few seconds.
Lo?
I'm coming back. Excuse me. Susunod yung niluluto.
Maganda siya.
Yes, I know. Hi. Wait lang.
Ang laki ng puno, oh.